So we've established that your friend is now unconscious and breathing. So we've got this unresponsive breathing casualty. So we need to place them in the recovery position. So my first aid is kneeling at the waist, going to take the hand closest to you and actually place it like into the stop sign, flat to the floor. We do notice that your friend's wearing glasses this morning, so can we remove glasses carefully with two hands and just fold the arms so the glasses go safely into the hand out of the way. Then with the back of your hand, can you tap the pocket closest to you? But no, the one more closest to you, that's the most important one. Just making sure there's nothing sharp going to hurt your friend when we roll over. If you can now pick up the hand furthest away, we're going to make a pillow, bring it right across the face, put the back of the hand to the cheek, and then with your hand, that's really important that we hold it palm to palm. With your spare hand, can we go for the leg furthest away at the knee? That's it, bring the knee right up, keep your hands on the knee. Now pull the knee to you so your friend rolls to you and we roll carefully. Just bring that leg forward and upwards, the first leg, that's it, into that running position. Just make sure the shoulder goes towards you. And then if we can reopen the airway, put your hand on the forehead, two fingers under the chin, reopen the airway. There we go. And then let go, put the back of your hand close to the mouth and nose. Can you feel breathing? We can have a quick look down the back of your friend to check for any bleeding circulation check. And because you're on your own and your friend's over, she's got an open airway, you can now ring for an ambulance because you're on your own. Thank you very much. Well done.